A quick reboot is your first line of defense against minor infotainment glitches, like a frozen screen or unresponsive apps. It's like restarting your smartphone. It clears temporary memory without erasing your data. For 2019-2025 models with Android OS, press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. If that doesn't work, try using the Start-Stop Engine button if the system is completely frozen. For older 2015-2018 models, simultaneously press the volume up and down buttons on the steering wheel for 5 to 10 seconds, or cycle the ignition key to accessory mode and back. This process takes just a minute or two and is non-invasive, preserving all your settings and data. Always try this first. A factory reset is a more drastic measure, erasing all user data and returning the system to its original state. Use this only for persistent issues or after a failed software update. For Android-based systems 2023-2025, go to Settings, System Advanced, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. You might need a PIN. For Census systems 2015 to 2022, access the Hidden Service menu by pressing and holding the volume and power buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, then select Factory Reset. This may also be done by a Volvo dealer. Factory resets take 5 to 15 minutes and require you to reconnect your accounts afterward. Back up important data like navigation favorites beforehand, as this process is irreversible. Always perform this parked with the engine off.